Introduction. Meet the GoPro Hero 13 Black. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is the newest addition to the iconic GoPro lineup. It builds upon its predecessors with enhanced image quality, cutting-edge features, and durability that makes it a top choice for adventurers, creators, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Key features of the GoPro Hero 13 Black. 1. Revolutionary 6K video and 32MP photos. One of the standout features of the Hero 13 Black is its ability to capture stunning 6K video footage. This is a major upgrade from the Hero 12, ensuring crisper visuals, smoother motion, and superior performance in all lighting conditions. Alongside this, the 32MP photos make the Hero 13 a go-to for high-resolution photography. 2. HyperSmooth 6.0 Unmatched video stabilization. GoPro's signature feature, HyperSmooth, is now in its 6th iteration. HyperSmooth 6.0 uses advanced algorithms to deliver gimbal-like stabilization, even during the most intense activities, whether it's mountain biking, snowboarding, or bungee jumping. This ensures that every video remains steady and professional-looking. 3. Waterproof and durable design. The Hero 13 Black maintains GoPro's tradition of rugged, waterproof designs. The camera is waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, without any additional housing, making it perfect for underwater photography and diving. Its durable construction also ensures it can withstand drops and harsh environmental conditions. 4. Longer battery life with Enduro technology. One common issue with action cameras is battery life, but the Hero 13 Black addresses this with GoPro's latest Enduro technology. This enhanced battery system allows for longer recording sessions, even in cold environments, ensuring you never miss capturing those moments. Enhanced features for content creators. 1. Advanced time mode 4.0. The Hero 13 is time mode 4.0 is an improved version of GoPro's, allowing users to create stunning, smooth, high-quality videos. This feature automatically adjusts speed based on motion, scene detection, and lighting, ensuring your time-lapse videos are excellent. 2. Voice control and hands-free operation. For those who need their hands free during extreme activities, the Hero 13 Black's voice control. This allows users to operate the camera using simple buttons. Start recording, or GoPro, take a photo, making it easier than ever to capture. Why the GoPro Hero 13 Black outshines competitors. While there are other action cameras available, the Hero 13 Black consistently outshines competitors due to its unmatched versatility and performance. Features like 6K video, HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization, and waterproof durability ensure that it caters to professionals and hobbyists. Plus, with an ever-growing accessory ecosystem from mounts to mods, you can easily expand your GoPro setup and create content. Conclusion. Is the GoPro Hero 13 Black? The GoPro Hero 13 Black is not just another action camera. It's a leap forward in technology, quality, and usability. Whether you're an extreme sports enthusiast or a vlogger that cares less, the Hero 13 Black delivers all this. Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.